I've heard a lot of people talk about how their Kojie San soap is not working for them, it's not effective, or it's breaking them out, instead of fading their discoloration or solving their skin concern. And I'm like, really? Because Kojie San soap is actually quite effective. So if your Kojie San soap is breaking you out, or you feel like it's not working the way you want it to do, it's either one of two reasons. It's either you got the fake Kojie San soap, yes, or you are not using the Kojie soap the way you are supposed to use it. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to effectively use the Kojie soap to lighten your skin and also fade discoloration. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Ruth. Please subscribe if you end up enjoying my content, like the video, drop a comment, and on your post notifications. Now, like I said earlier, if your Kojie soap is not working the way you want it to do, or it is breaking you out, it's either you got it fake or you are not using it the way you're supposed to use it. Yes, now I can tell you for a fact that Kojie soap, the fake in the market is more than the original. Yes, and that's because I've done my market research. So if you want to buy this Kojie soap, ensure you are getting it from a trusted vendor. That is the very first thing. Ensure that you are getting the original of this Kojie soap. So get it from a trusted vendor. And if you do not know how to spot the difference between a fake Kojie soap and an original Kojie soap, I have a detailed video talking about how to identify original Kojie soap and fake Kojie soap. So I'm going to be tagging the video, so you go and watch it first and then come back and we'll discuss on how you can effectively use Kojie soap to solve your skin concerns. So to understand how to make this Kojie soap work effectively for you, we have to understand the key ingredients of the Kojie soap. Now, the key ingredients of the Kojie soap is kojic acid. Now, kojic acid is an inhibitor, which means that it inhibits the production of tyrosine, and tyrosine is like an amino acid that produces melanin. So it means kojic acid is a lightening agent and it is also a gentle exfoliator. Now with this, we know that Kojie San soap contains kojic acid, which basically means that Kojie San soap is an active ingredient if you are using it in your skincare routine. And we know, or if you do not know, you are not supposed to be using active ingredients every day. You're not supposed to be using your exfoliating products every day. You're supposed to use them at most 3 times a week. So one of the mistakes you might be making is that you are using Kojie San soap every day. Now imagine you are using an active ingredient in your skincare routine every day. It's going to eventually overwork. You are using Kojie San soap every day that's supposed to lighten your skin. Okay, you have dark spots, you have hyperpigmentation, you want to lighten it, and because of that, you are trying to use this Kojie San soap every day just to lighten your skin as fast as possible. It's going to lighten your skin and eventually over lighten your skin and eventually even damage your skin barrier, especially for those that use Kojie San soap on their face. Once your skin barrier is damaged, what does that mean? It means that you start getting white patches, you start breaking out, and then you are complaining that the Kojie San soap is destroying your skin, is breaking you out. It's because you are using it more than you are supposed to use it. Another mistake you are making is you are using Kojie San soap as a quick fix. Yes, you have dark spots, you have hyperpigmentation, and you are using Kojie San soap you are using Kojie San soap expecting that your dark spot is going to fade in 2 weeks. No, it doesn't work that way. Kojie San soap, kojic acid. In fact, there's never a quick fix in skincare, except you want to use your pimple patch to dry out your pimples overnight, or you're using spot treatment to dry out your pimples. That's like the only quick fix I know of in skincare. So you can't use Kojie San soap and expect it to, clear up your hyperpigmentation, clear up your dark knuckles and your dark elbow in 2 weeks. Please give it time before you can get good results from using your Kojie San soap. I would say you should start from like a month to 2 months. That is when you can now start to say, okay, I want to observe and see if this Kojie San soap is actually working for me. Another mistake you might be making, and this is for people with sensitive skin, is you have a sensitive skin and you are using Kojie San soap on your face. Now, this one might be quite tricky because even me, I actually have a sensitive skin and I use Kojie San soap on my face. So if you have a sensitive skin, please do not use Kojie San soap. Do not leave Kojie San soap on your face for more than 1 minute or 2 minutes. Yes, don't leave it on your face for too long. It is an active ingredient. It is quite strong. So if your face is sensitive, if you have a sensitive skin, do not put it on your face for too long. What you want to do if you have a sensitive skin is, if you are trying to spot treat, let's say you have dark spots here and there, you can take a Q-tip, wet your Kojie San soap with water, take a Q-tip, put it on it and put it on your dark spot, or you wet your Kojie San soap with water and apply it directly on the spots where you are trying to fix. Leave it for a few minutes and then you rinse it out. So do not use it all over your face, or even if you are going to use it all over your face, do not leave it for more than 2 minutes. If not, you start reacting and start breaking out to the Kojie San soap. Another mistake you're probably making is using it during the day. Now, do not use Kojie San soap during the day. Do not use any active ingredients during the day. Please use Kojie San soap at night, preferably 2 to 3 times in a week. Using kojic acid on your face during the day, it just makes your skin more prone or more sensitive to the sun. So even if you're going to use it during the day, please wear your sunscreen. But I will personally not advise that you use Kojie San soap during the day. Use Kojie San soap at night, and then Kojie San soap can be very, very drying. Kojie San soap can be very drying. So after you've used your Kojie San, always go in with moisturizing and hydrating product. Use your hydrating toner, use your hydrating moisturizer, use hydrating serum. So because Kojie San can be very drying. Another thing you want to do when you are using the Kojie San soap is to cut it into bits. Cut it into bits and put it in an airtight container. And this is because Kojie San soap melts easily. So if you do not cut it into bits, it's just like you are wasting it. It's just like you're wasting it. And also, if you open it to the air, just open it down, it can lose its potency and efficiency. So what you do, you cut it into bits, put it in an airtight container, and when you use it, immediately you are done, return it back to the container and close it. So in this case, if your Kojie San soap is not working, it might be because it has lost most of its potency because you are exposing it to the air, you understand? So it's no longer as effective as it's supposed to be. So it is not giving you the results that you want in this case. So if you want your Kojie San soap to be effective, please always cut it into bits because it melts easily. Always store in an airtight container so as it not to lose the efficiency and the potency. Always use your Kojie San soap at night, not use it during the day. Do not leave Kojie San soap on your face for too long, especially if you have a sensitive skin. And please don't expect Kojie San soap to work for you in like a week or 2 weeks. Give it time. Give it time to work. And the most important, ensure that you are getting the original Kojie San soap. Ensure you're getting the original Kojie San soap. So thank you for watching. Please like this video, drop a comment, share, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.